Hey guys, I'm coming to you bald headed today because I have another wig unboxing. Alright, so I've been holding on to this wig for a minute now. This one is the Bobbi Boss wig. As you can see, she's in a cute color, honey. So this one is Harena MLF 243 in the color FHL 35099J. Alright, so yeah, it's a 13x4 deep lace. And yeah, I don't remember how much I paid for this. I've had it for a minute. I'm sure I didn't pay any more than $50. I maybe have paid $50 including shipping. So this is how it looks once I take it. Oh, it's not connected at all. Okay. This is how it looks. It comes with the foam in here, this little headpiece thingy. Here's the tag. Let me see. Here's the tag. And the back of the tag. It comes in many different colors. It comes in the blue as well. And here's a close-up of the color. Alright. So let's take this net off. Oh, wow. Okay. So you can definitely see the 99J here and the 350. I haven't had 350 since high school, y'all, so I'm excited. So we're gonna remove the foam. This is how the cap looks on the inside when you flip it inside out. This is the cap. So it basically has a closure. I was looking like, why is it two different colors? But that's the two, you know, the 350 and the 99J. And it has a comb in the middle right here, two combs on the side, and one comb right here in the back with the adjustable straps. A really nice breathable net. Here's the hairline. I have my fan on because it's hot. Here's the hairline and the lace. Close up of that. And the wig. I tried to wear like a nude top today so y'all can see, you know. Yeah. Alright, so let's take this tag off. So let me just try it on, just a dry fit real quick and see how the cap fits on my head. Alright. Let's see. I have these freaking nails. These freaking nails. Okay. Okay. The lace doesn't really fit all the way around my head. Not quite. I mean, it comes right. Yeah, like this is where the ear tab is on the wig. And you can see mine is like right here. So it's a little bit too short. But on this side, I have it pulled down perfectly. Unless I have to kind of shift it a little, but it's still not going to fit all the way. Alright, so this is how the wig looks on. Let me come this way a little bit. Baby, I love this color. This is how the wig looks on my head. The lace, it's okay. This is how it looks up close. Child, if I'm blind myself. So I'm going to go ahead and, hold on, let me see. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put my powder on the inside of the lace. So I'm just going to, I'm sorry. I'm rushing, y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm just adding that to the lace. I actually, this one is cool. But as you can see, this one is a little bit more oily. Baby, the sun is sunning, honey. It's a sunny day. But I'm going to go in with the one from the Anastasia palette. And, yeah. Okay. So we're gonna have to adjust y'all because y'all need to see me doing what I'm doing. Okay. Let me bring this mirror closer. This is how it looks with the concealer. Go in with the Even spray. To be honest, the way this wig fits, you don't have to like use any type of spray or anything. You could just wear it glueless. But since I know that y'all like to glue y'all wig down, I'm gonna glue it down. Okay, I'm gonna glue it down for y'all. If I can get it tighter. Alright, so that's the best y'all gonna get today. Okay. I'm gonna go in with a little more concealer. And I'm not leaving this on long, so it doesn't need to be perfect. That's pretty much it for the wig. I mean, it's pretty simple. It's not hard to like part or style or anything. I'm just not a fan of the fact that the lace in the front doesn't really come all the way down on the sides. And the lace was a little bit hard to work with compared to like the Sensational wet lace wigs. That's what I'm used to, but the color is beautiful. Let's see. Color is amazing, so definitely recommend it if you want some color. It's not bad at all. It's the perfect length, but just remember that the lace doesn't come all the way down. It comes a little bit further up, and it's a little bit more of a tougher lace to work with. Yeah, cap fits perfectly. You don't even have to really have it glued down or anything. I do feel like some tracks here in the back, like they're showing a little bit, so just be aware of that. The parting, let's see. I did show y'all the cap construction, but the parting stops here. So the part in the middle stops here. On the side, it stops here. So you don't have much space to part at all. Oh, yep, there's a track. There's a track. Okay. Just Just do the comb over method with this wig. Unless you want to do a middle part. But other than that, just do the flip over method. Kind of like this. And you'll be good. Oh, it says MediFresh. So that's the type of cap it is. MediFresh Safe and Clean Cap. Blocks UV rays. It's antibacterial and it has great ventilation. The cap is made well, so I do recommend that. It's kind of like if you get a wig custom made and it has those type of mesh caps. So this cap is definitely great. It is heat safe, of course. It has baby hairs. It says baby hair. It says baby hair, but there are no baby hairs on my wig at all. But I don't do baby hair, so that's cool. I would say if you curl it, just go up to 350 and just leave it at that. Oh, and this one has the money pieces and highlights. But yeah, it only has color around here, which is the money piece. Definitely recommend this for dark skin girls. It looks amazing. But I do recommend it. Go ahead and get your hands on it. I will link it below if it's still in stock. And yeah, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share, and follow my TikTok. It's Takia Nicole as well. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.